How to add your Revolut card to Apple Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. So to do that, first of all, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically go to the cards tab near the top side of your screen. After that, choose a card which you'd like to add to your Apple Wallet. So for now, I'll simply choose my test card. And then once you're on this page, on the bottom side you can see a big option called Add to Apple Wallet. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page where you'll have to basically check your name and your card number and then tap on the option Next, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, it will say adding card, contacting the card issuer, and once you've done that, you'll have to agree to their terms and conditions. So tap on the agree option, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then it'll ask you whether you'd like to set your card as default in your Apple Wallet or not. So if you want to use this card as your default card, tap on the option use as default card, but if not, you can simply tap on the option not now, and there you have it. So that is basically how you add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.